Manual logbooks, long waits, no audit trail. Visitor management used to be a security risk hiding in plain sight. Entry2Exit replaces it with one smart visitor management system that welcomes every visitor the right way. Let's see how spot registration or walk-ins work. A walk-in visitor taps their reason for visiting on the kiosk and scans their Emirates ID. Their name, phone, and email are captured instantly. They pick who they're here to meet from your live employee directory, and in that moment, the employee will receive a real-time notification. Now let's explore how visitor invitation or pre-registration works. Host can send a visitor invitation to any expected visitor within seconds by filling the Invite a Visitor form. They get a branded email with a QR pass, directions, and your guidelines. On arrival, they scan the QR at the kiosk to check in. One neat feature is the turnstile integration. During the check-in process, they will get a printed QR code from the kiosk after submitting the details. This can be scanned on the turnstile for it to grant access. During the check-in process, kiosk can also take a picture of the visitor's face, and when they approach the turnstile, it will open without any additional scans. Welcome the future of visitor experience with Entry2Exit.